Hello everyone, I am Mohammad Sabra Khan. Today is World's Humanity Rights Day and we are making it from Pakistan on this 2021, and my message from Pakistan towards the globally is that caste, creed, color and country, wherever it is around the globe, we all are one, as we are equal human beings. There is no difference between us, as our pains, as our problems and our education skills and our every daily need and happiness and fear and all kind of weaknesses and all kind of disappointments are similar. Recently, we have seen how COVID-19 people are facing around the world a big pandemic situation in which humanity factor was alive. That is why we got this COVID-19 vaccines, and for only helping humanity, not for anything else, regardless, not target one's caste, creed, color or country. If it is in a back in the mindset of any scientist or any person or any this medical kind of people who are making this chemists who are making and helping out this vaccine could not be made in such a short period of time. So like this in our lives, we have to realize that humanity rights are always violated around the globe by targeting one's caste, creed, color, and country, and by because of this division, the meaning of humanity is died in somewhere, which we need to change globally. As I request to United Nations that make a change, educate the people all around the globe, that they realize they are made for positivity, not for negativity, as our we all are living on this planet for a short period of time. As we know, climate change affect all of us. Our weather is changing, the pollution is going on, and the water crisis is coming so much near. We have to think about it, not giving one a chance to blame anyone else, as we all are joined together, connected with geographically through hearts, and now social media is the most powerful and the most quick service which quickly point out where and what place we are facing a problem or trouble. So we need to realize that this life, that humanity rights are always being violated in form of alcohol, in form of this smoking. The chain smokers are all over there. On We have seen our generation is wasting their time. Our generation is going towards negative, though they are educating, but in a sense there is no direction they got for betterment of our planet. So we give them direction, so that the pornography, the cases of harassment, the rape cases, the all the terrorism kind of effects, all the negativity kind of effects that violate any human by any human, or by targeting one's caste, color or country or creed, or focusing on a mindset of a person, not giving respect of one's feeling, but to discriminate them, need to be avoided for the betterment of our planet. So, on this World's Humanity Day, we have seen in Pakistan recently there is a blasphemy problem is arisen in Sialkot, where this Priyanka, who was being killed by a Sri Lankan person, and we strongly condemn from Pakistan what happened with our disguided Muslims who misuse this blasphemy law, and it is a duty of a government to give justice or equality to a person who violated any religious theme or anything else. But it is not one a group of people who kill in this way. So this is against humanity laws, humanity rights. I strongly condemn this from in every heart of Pakistan. Similarly, there in India, in Bangladesh, and all around in Myanmar, you can see how Muslims are targeted in Assam we have seen a lot of targets are towards Muslims. So it is against this humanitarian rights. So United, and also in Kashmir we have seen unjust this geographical region which was disputed was being taken by abrogating Article 370A. So we strongly condemn this inhumanity because it is between the nations and it is between the people who. Also, water treaties. There are water treaties which need to be give equal water to all the places that because once cultivations, once cultivation will be or agriculture will be affected directly, and people drinking water is going towards being harmed. So we need to give justice towards all this kind of things, which I suggest from Pakistan. And I also want to say that we as a human are servants of nature, and we have to work for the nature, and nature wants us to that our humanity rights will not be violated by anyone else by making such kind of statement, or by making such kind of nuclear wars kind of suspects which damage common humanitarian facts. Also, I want to say that the gay rights, the lesbian rights, and these all lady boys rights are to be given to them, and also especially like women rights, which is now being very alarming and very much possessive, and it's going to be well said male dominated society now giving women rights, because they the way they penetrate, the way they shown by their work, and by way the women are equally working like men. So I think the gay rights and lesbian rights should be also, and the lady boys and will be also be there, so that the world humanity this day we can make this wonderful and most this 2021 in a better way and a better mode. So this is the way the United Nations should be work out, and we have to realize that our this dignity of mankind should be available, and will make our generation peaceful and positive for the betterment of our society, and it will be very kind to be to uplift this world humanity camping around the globe with United Nations. So God bless you or our planet, and best wishes from Pakistan, and we wish that on this World Humanity Day we will turn out to be a better persons, and education for all, and we all are one, and we are all are equal, and equality lies for all. So God bless you all, and best wishes from Pakistan. Happy World Humanity Day 2021. Stay blessed. Bye. Love you all.